Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
anti-theft keyless entry systems.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Lost your keys? Again? Don't spend all your time and money replacing your keys at the dealership. Replace your lost or broken remote car key quickly and easily with Keyless to Go. Easy to program on your own with straightforward directions and instructional videos available for many vehicles. We have remotes for most of the vehicles on the road today. Each car key replacement comes complete with batteries and has been pre-tested to ensure quality and functionality. Don't waste your time and money with anyone else. Keyless to Go is your go-to replacement for car keys and remotes.